how to redeem code in Kingshot. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem code in Kingshot. So there is no option for you to redeem your codes on the mobile application itself on your mobile device, but you can redeem your gift code through this website. So ks/giftcode.centurygame.com. So in here you just need to get your player ID from your Kingshot mobile app on your device. So check your player ID in game through your avatar on the top left corner of your screen. So make sure to copy your player ID, click on login, and then after that enter the gift code that you have received into the section. So rewards will be directly sent to the character's mail after redemption. So once you have redeemed that reward would reflect into your Kingshot game account on your mobile application. And that is how you can basically redeem codes in Kingshot.